Are you looking for a solution to seal the vulnerable seams on your RV roof? Beach Lane has specifically engineered an RV roof tape for user-friendly sealing of roof seams. Designed for high resistance to the outdoor elements to keep roof seams airtight and moisture-free, featuring a proprietary self-priming technology that forms an instant sealant bond when applied with pressure. A unique, flexible tape structure allows the adhesive to stretch during application to seal off difficult seams like skylights and vents. To maximize the bond between roof and tape, be sure to pay specific attention to manufacturer application instructions during installation. Beach Lane is an American company located in North Carolina and features USA-based product support.
Just follow these 3 easy steps for perfect results. Clean the surface, peel and stick the Eternabond, apply pressure to activate the sealant. That's it, you're done. Whether implementing into your manufacturing process or using for repairs, don't just trust any roof sealant tape. Trust the original and the most reliable roof sealant product on the market.